Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number is 18G493A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Inside, cloth interior. Center console, when it's folded up, is an additional third seat in the front row, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and rear backup sensors. Taking a look at the bed now. Bed liner keeps the bed very safe, and then you also have a soft cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. 4-wheel drive, full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input, and you have dual climate control here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.